Hello friends, today I am going to talk about another homeopathic mother tincture to control the sugar level in the body. Please do watch my previous videos on the same topic, diabetes, where I have discussed with you Cephalendra indica and Gymnema sylvestre. So let's start today's remedy. The name of the remedy is Syzygium Jambolanum. I will take you to the initial stage of syzygium, where you will see that the patient has a history of dysentery and there is a dyspepsia. So the weakness of the patient starts from the stomach. There will be a history of repeated diarrhea and frequent diarrhea, and there will be large stools, loose stools, and you will also find due to this weakness the patient also has tendency to of tonsillitis, the sore throat, and along with this there will be a history of spongy and soft gums. There will be a history of soft and spongy gums, which we will see in the present condition, present or advanced stage of the patient when he develops the diabetes. If we see the main symptoms of the patient, then we will see that the patient will develop emaciation, the sudden weakness, and he will become thin in a short period. I think this is that repeated history of diarrhea which brings him to the diabetes, and we see that he will become very thin and weak in a short period of time. There will be a large quantity of sugar present in the urine with high specific gravity of the urine, and we will see the frequent urination, 2 to 3 hours interval throughout 24 hours, day and night. We also see there is a diabetic ulceration on the body of the patient. On the upper part of his body, there will be this prickly heat, this reddish papules with violent itching. So, as it is a diabetic remedy, there will be a excessive thirst with dryness of mouth, and on the whole there will be a general weakness and tiredness, a prostration. You just want to lie down. So if I give you its summary, then a patient who have a very good diet, despite of having good diet, there is a emaciation, large quantity of sugar and high specific gravity in the urine, and diabetic ulcers, this prickly heat on the upper part of the body with itching, the violent itching, or there may not be this itching present, with the history of dyspepsia and diarrhea, with sore throat and spongy gums. So I hope you have learned something. So this was the remedy of today. Thank you.